In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Invoice on eBay. If you need a copy of your invoice for bookkeeping, tax records, or just to keep your account information organized, eBay makes the process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path so you can quickly find and download your invoices from your account. To begin, make sure you're signed into your eBay account and that you're on the main account area. From there, look for the payments option. Move your cursor over payments to open the available menu. This is where eBay groups together billing, transaction, and payment-related information, so it's the right place to start when you're searching for invoices. Once the payments menu appears, click on Summary. This will take you to the payment summary section of your account. Think of this page as the hub for your financial activity on eBay. It gives you access to different payment tools and records, including the section where your invoices are stored. After you're on the summary page, look for the tax invoices option and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you access invoice documents related to your account. If you've been searching through order history or other account pages without finding what you need, this is the key area that usually gets overlooked. When you open tax invoices, you'll be able to download your invoices. At this point, simply find the invoice you need and use the available download option. Depending on your account activity, you may see one invoice or a list of several invoices, so take a moment to select the correct one before saving it to your device. A helpful tip here is to save the file somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder or a dedicated folder for receipts and invoices. That way, if you need it again later for accounting or expense tracking, you won't have to repeat the process. And that's all it takes. Just hover over payments, click Summary, open tax invoices, and then download the invoice you need. It's a quick process once you know the exact path inside eBay. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find and download your eBay invoice with confidence.